Can you see Lyra? Where's Lyra? Lyra!
Good girl, Lyra, man. Who's that?
Follow Lokes. There. Follow Lyra Lokes. Good boy, Lokes. Good boy, Loki. I like that.
Then you just ended up the same way as you went in, like.
Good boy, Lokes. Go follow.
I don't mind following a Lyra, but
Yeah, I'll follow Lyra's bum. Good boy. Right, let's go find somewhere else. Wait a minute, let's discuss. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, yeah, okay. Lucky, yeah. Good boy. Oh, let's put you on here. Good boy. Let's sit you on there. Good boy. Down. Down. Good boy. Oh, Loki's like, I'm not bothered, so I'll just go to sleep here then.
yeah.
Good boy. Good boy. Round, round. Yes, good boy. Round, round. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
How are they not bothered yet? I'm like really
Yeah.
freaking out inside and it's just like.
I know.
Get
Let's.
down.
Button.
I'm just going to get to the door.
Can you press it? Yes, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Luke. What? Good boy.
Apparently now we now have back feet.
Who's just figured out those back feet there now? Good boy.
Like I wouldn't say she's anxious at all.
No, it's just like she just wants to get on it.
Just wants to get on it and go. But like walking around anyway, I wouldn't say she's anxious.
No,
like,
oh no, she's definitely not.
Yeah.
She's very happy-go-lucky, like.
Yeah.
Yep. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, she's doing so well. Yeah, I remember when she was at the camp
Yeah.
and things, and she was like more with
Yeah.
it and things, but like you were doing.
But as I said, even if it's only 5 minutes.
It's like, what was that?
Of her doing that, I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
She's trying.
She's like, oh, who's that?
Yeah.
That was a cold nose. Oh, you're more subdued than you were the last time when you came to the park.
Yeah, I thought she's been attacked by quite a few big dogs. She's
Oh,
had one of
since
them
then.
now. Yeah, she's had a run of them.
Go on then. Go on.
Okay, I'll quick look at it.
What's he doing, Lyra? Is he just being a bouncy old boy? Lucky, you ready? He's like, no, I'm having a sniff. Yes. As long as you're not doing a poop. What are you doing? Is he an idiot? Yeah, then looks. Hello. You come here. Hello. Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.
Okay, so if worst comes to absolute worst.
Good girl. Yes.
There is one at 5 I can get with a 23-minute change, but I'd prefer, if I can, to make the 4 o'clock one. Just so it's directly back then as well.
That's it. He's just like, what are you doing? You weirdo.
Yeah,
Gable.
Timing's better than me, it's 20 past.
They're just looking at each other.
Like, do we, don't we? Though?
Do we?
Tired.
Don't we? Do we play?
This is what I wanted at the end of the day for life.
Yeah.
Like, even if it's 5 minutes we've just done.
It's just decompression, and she can sniff,
Yeah.
and you can be a moron.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
gosh. She's like, I'm not with him.
No.
I'm not with him. That's what that was. I'm not with him.
Yeah.
Don't know him.
Oh, monkey. I was like, still not with him. He's in my
Yeah.
face.
Don't know you.
You do like
Oh,
those,
that's so
don't you?
cute.
But it's just a bit wacky about them, isn't it?
Hey, Lex, we're not going all the way around.
Funny.
We can go back up that way. Yeah. And come back out the exit that we
Yeah.
came from, because otherwise that one takes you into Wolverhampton. What you went? Yeah, Lex.
Conditioned myself, I guess. Like, I haven't, like, it's not my personality at all. I like conditioned myself to be like, right, okay, if something goes wrong, have a minute, see if you can calm
Exactly.
down and chill out.
And then try and figure it
sort
out.
it out.
I'm like that. My brain goes like a million miles an hour.
Mine does at first as well. Like, I'm like, fuck. And then I'm like,
What do I
hang
do?
on a
What do I
minute.
do? Yeah.
Yeah, like, then I'm like, hang on a minute, chill out, take a breather. But like, as I said, that's not me. That's just being
Yeah.
conditioned to be like, right.
That's it. Are you just going to take your time, folks? Come on.
Yeah.
We don't have all day.
In fact, those who have about 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's
Lucky.
helped me out with loads and like just looping forward. It's like I'm thinking, oh, I'm way too late for 4 o'clock at this point. But I'm like, you know what? I can just catch a 5 to Great Mall then.
Exactly. And it's just not to stress out.
Yeah. If worst comes to worst, on my change, if I look and there's like one from Worcester to Ledbury, I can be like, right, okay, jump on that.
Yeah. Can't deal with the sudden
Yeah.
changes of stuff and things.
Neither could I until my mum calmed down about it. I think for me, like, sudden change is alright, but as long as I can get home safely.
Yeah, that's
Like,
it.
for example, for me, it was more worrying about the risk of coming out here
Yeah.
and not looking beyond it